Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Data Studio connectors for marketing attribution accuracy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google account. Navigate to your Google Data Studio dashboard. Locate the report that contains the connectors you want to update. Click on the report to open it. In the top right corner, find and click on the Edit button. Once in edit mode, look for the Resource tab in the menu bar. Select Manage Added Data Sources from the drop-down. A new window will appear, displaying all the data sources currently in use. Identify the connector that needs updating for marketing attribution. Click on the pencil icon next to the specific data source. This will open the data source configuration settings. Review the connector settings and check for any outdated fields or metrics. Make necessary adjustments according to the latest marketing attribution requirements. Ensure to update any custom dimensions or metrics that may have changed. Once updates are complete, click the Save button to apply changes. Return to your report by clicking the Done button or the back arrow. Check for any error messages indicating issues with the updated connector. If there are errors, revisit the data source and troubleshoot as necessary. After confirming there are no errors, proceed to refresh your report. In the top right, select the refresh icon to update the data. Review the report to ensure all metrics align with current marketing attribution goals. If everything looks correct, exit the edit mode by clicking on the View button. Monitor your report regularly to ensure ongoing accuracy in marketing attribution. Consider documenting the updated connector settings for future reference. This will facilitate smoother updates down the line. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.